As a homeowner in Southlake, Texas, ensuring the safety and security of your property is likely a top priority. While there are many ways to secure your home, one of the most effective, and often overlooked, solutions is exterior lighting installation. Properly placed lighting around your home's perimeter not only enhances its appearance but plays a crucial role in deterring potential intruders, improving visibility, and creating a safer environment for you and your family. Here's how installing exterior lighting can significantly boost your home security in Southlake. Deterrent to criminal activity. One of the most important roles exterior lighting plays in home security is acting as a deterrent to criminal activity. Intruders and burglars prefer to target properties that are hidden in darkness where they can operate unnoticed. A well-lit home reduces this opportunity, making it far less likely for criminals to approach without being seen. In Southlake, where homes often sit on large lots with private backyards and quiet streets, exterior lighting can make your home stand out to neighbors and passers-by. Motion sensor lights, spotlights, and floodlights around the property can make it clear to any would-be intruders that they are being watched. Lighting your property sends a message that your home is well protected and under surveillance, making it a less attractive target for crime. Increased visibility around your property. The exterior lighting improves visibility around your home, ensuring that you can see who is approaching your house, whether it's a guest, delivery driver, or anyone unfamiliar. This is especially important in Southlake, where properties can be more spread out and some homes are situated further away from the main road. By illuminating your walkways, driveway, and entry points, you make it easier for yourself and others to safely navigate the property at night. Whether you're returning home after dark or welcoming a guest, good exterior lighting helps avoid accidents like tripping or stumbling in the dark. It also provides a clear view of your surroundings, making it easier to spot any suspicious activity. Additionally, when your property is well lit, it's easier for neighbors to notice anything unusual, such as unfamiliar cars parked outside or people loitering near your home. With your lights in place, your neighbors will be more likely to notice and report anything out of the ordinary, fostering a stronger sense of community vigilance. Highlighting vulnerable areas. Some areas around your property are more vulnerable to break-ins than others, such as side gates, back doors, and basement windows. These dark spots are often where intruders try to enter undetected. Exterior lighting can effectively eliminate these vulnerabilities by ensuring that every part of your property is properly lit. For instance, placing motion-activated lights near your back door, garage, or any hidden spots around your property can significantly reduce the likelihood of an intruder targeting these areas. Floodlights or spotlights can be used to illuminate the perimeter of your home, including fences and gates, making it harder for anyone to approach without being noticed. Strategic lighting placement helps ensure that no area of your property remains in darkness, leaving no place for criminals to hide. This increased visibility around your home is essential for both security and peace of mind. Enhanced safety for your family and guests. In addition to boosting security, exterior lighting improves the safety of everyone in and around your home. A well-lit environment is safer for your family, especially if you have children or elderly members. By illuminating walkways, stairs, and entryways, you help reduce the risk of accidents or falls. In Southlake, where families often enjoy outdoor activities in the yard or around the pool, lighting is also crucial for ensuring that these areas remain safe after sunset. Path lights along walkways and garden areas not only make the property more beautiful but also ensure that everyone can move around safely in the dark. If you entertain guests outdoors, good lighting enhances the experience by creating a welcoming and secure atmosphere. It ensures your guests can easily find their way around, and it gives you peace of mind knowing that the exterior of your home is secure. Complementing other security systems, exterior lighting works in tandem with other home security systems, such as surveillance cameras, alarm systems, and smart locks. Well-placed lighting ensures that security cameras capture clear footage, especially in areas that would otherwise be too dark. Many modern security cameras rely on good lighting to record clear images of individuals and vehicles, which can be critical in the event of a break-in or other suspicious activity. Moreover, combining lighting with motion sensors can be a great way to alert you or your security system to movement around your home. For example, motion-activated lights that come on when someone approaches the driveway can trigger an alert to your phone or security system, notifying you of potential activity. When used together, exterior lighting and security systems offer comprehensive protection and peace of mind. Energy-efficient option. While you may be concerned about the added electricity costs of installing exterior lighting, there are many energy-efficient options available today. LED lights, solar-powered lights, and motion sensor lights all provide excellent illumination without using excessive amounts of energy. LEDs, in particular, are highly energy efficient and long-lasting, reducing your overall energy consumption and the frequency of bulb replacements. Solar lights are another great option for homeowners looking to minimize their environmental impact and reduce their electricity bill. Solar-powered lights absorb sunlight during the day and automatically illuminate your property at night without requiring any external power source. These options provide an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to keep your home secure. Increased property value. In addition to security, exterior lighting can enhance the curb appeal of your Southlake home, which can increase its value. A well-lit home is more attractive to potential buyers, and it demonstrates that the property has been carefully maintained. Many prospective buyers value the added security and aesthetic appeal that exterior lighting offers. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or simply want to improve your home's appearance, investing in exterior lighting can provide a good return on investment. Conclusion. Exterior lighting installation is an easy and effective way to boost your home's security in Southlake. Not only does it deter criminals, but it also improves visibility, enhances safety, and complements other security systems. With energy-efficient options available, you can achieve peace of mind while maintaining a beautiful, well-lit home. Whether you're looking to protect your family, increase property value, or simply enhance your curb appeal, exterior lighting is a valuable investment that offers lasting benefits for years to come.